Looking for a fun place to stay in downtown Halifax?
Hi, this is Ryan and Jen from Everest Travels. In today's video, we'll be staying at the Moxy Hotel, downtown Halifax, and we're going to tell you about everything that really matters.
The rooms, the food, the vibes, amenities, distance to nearby attractions, and more.
Plus, stick around until the end to find out how much we paid.
If you find this video helpful, please subscribe for more hotel reviews.
If you've never stayed at a Moxy hotel before, it really is all about the vibes. The main lobby, it's chic, it's painted black, has strong pops of colors, and you'll find that theme of vibrancy follows you around the hotel.
The elevators are super fun, both themed with different pictures, and even walking onto each of the floors is a treat. We stayed on the 4th floor, and the floor sign was filled with little toy dinosaurs. Rawr.
When it comes to the location, Halifax has a very hilly downtown core, with its centerpiece attraction being another hill in Citadel Hill. The Moxy is located in the middle of one of the major hills, so all attractions within walking distance will include some variation of walking uphill or downhill, but frankly, all downtown hotels contend with this issue, so make sure you just pack a good pair of sneakers.
Wrapping up our hill chat, if you wanted to check out Citadel Hill, it's only a 12-minute walk away from the entrance of the Moxy.
The Scotiabank Centre, Halifax's main event and sport area, is found only 6 minutes away from the hotel when walking, making this an ideal place to stay when coming to the area for a concert or a hockey game.
Argyle Street, a popular area for bars, restaurants, and other nightlife, is 12 minutes away.
And to reach the Halifax Waterfront, it's only 14 minutes by foot, much shorter if you're driving.
Let's have a look at our home for the night. We booked a bunk bed room because bunk beds are awesome. Let's check it out.
Hello, welcome to our room. We're here at the Moxy Halifax, and we have a bunk bed room. First thing you see when you come here is this little place to put your wallet, your keys, and then a little mini coat hanger. Before you get to our favorite part of the room.
Amir.
Hey, what's going on? Right behind us, we have a very bright and modern looking bathroom. And you come on in, and it's this unique type of darker, cool, funky, sexy sink with some tissues and some places to drink. If you're staying here for an extended period of time, a good place to put your hair condiments. That's what they're called, right? Condiments?
Sure.
And you got your toilet. You know it's fresh because they have the little sticker on it.
Exactly.
A funky pink hair dryer.
One thing I will say about the Moxy is that they've got their branding going on. You will see that magenta pink color everywhere, and it's nice, it's fun.
A bright shower area.
Ooh. Oh wow, it's actually quite large.
Got a couple people in here.
Deep end.
Oh, that's cute.
That's cute. We've got the shower head, and we also have a handheld thing here.
And the brand here is Coors.
We got shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. So it's all good here. Nice subway tile throughout the bathroom. It's very clean, very modern.
Down here we have extra towels, and this is, looks like it is a second hair dryer. Ooh. Oh, it's a steamer.
Steamer.
We have our big TV over here as we walk out here.
That is a really big TV. I have to actually step out a little bit here.
It's big for the size of the room because it's not the largest sized room. Up above the TV, you have a little place for coat hangers or hat racks. We have this against the wall. I'm not fully sure what it is. I think it's a little chair.
I think it's for suitcases to kind of like take it out and...
Oh, yeah?
Okay. Yeah.
Because you don't have a lot of space, it really makes use of the room. You don't even get a closet here. So with this bunk bed room, this is your closet, which is over this box thing, which actually serves as your desk.
Look at that.
And it looks a bit better when it's open, because when it's not open, it looks like there's just a timeout chair in the corner.
It could be a timeout chair.
Go to timeout. No? This is a bunk bed room. So some funky sheets here all against the wall. We have a nice little map of downtown Halifax, places to go, things to see. We would be located around here, the Moxy, and then everything else is in this area. And then of course we got the bunk bed and a little area there by the window where Parker is drawing. Hey Parker.
So we're located right at the front of the building. You can see some of the rooms have little balconies, which is kind of cute. And then you have a great view of the Moxy line up front. And oh look, Citadel Hill right there.
Citadel Hill?
I really like the look of some of the accessories in here. This phone, it's old school, but it's got the bright orange dials.
You see a lot of like the Edison light bulb style vibe, the concrete. It's very minimalistic, brutalist, a little funky fun. It's nice.
I don't know what this is. They have like a little lamp here. It doesn't seem like it works, but if you were getting up to use the washroom late at night, you grab this.
Yeah, that's fun. You know, it is a small room, but I mean, we're in the city, and this is, I guess, meant to go out and enjoy the city, come back here to rest, but it's a very, very fun room, though. It is fun.
If you're looking for some extra storage space, you do have a pull-out drawer that has your safe in it. Plus, it's got your laundry bags if you do want to use the laundry service here. The bunk bed up top, nice and comfy. We've already got an octopus laying up there. Now it's time for the bed test. Okay, it's a soft bed. It's not too firm at all, but it's going to be comfortable. I am a little nervous. I haven't slept under a bunk bed in a while, so getting up late at night and hitting my head on here, but I don't think that will be an issue.
Now it's time for the bed test.
How is it?
Good.
One of the coolest things about the Moxy is we were handed 3 poker chips when we were checked in.
While confused initially, we learned that they were chips that could be traded in for a free drink at the bar.
That could be alcoholic beverages and beer, shots, etc., or it could be espressos or pop, whatever you want it, and it's a part of the Moxy's brand. So however many people are staying in your room, you should expect to get that amount of poker chips at check-in.
We weren't expecting this, so it was a really nice surprise.
But not as much as a surprise as the secret room. Yes, behind this bookshelf is another little sitting area just off to the left of the lobby bar. If you're interested in checking it out, just ask a staff member. If it's not reserved, they may show it to you and may let you go into the secret area and you feel all super cool and exclusive.
There's an on-site gym, but the real fun we had was in the lobby game area.
Fun for all ages can be found here, from giant Connect 4, foosball, checkers, chess, and even a Miss Pac-Man machine. You can really kill a lot of time in the lobby having some good, wholesome fun.
Other than that, there is on-site indoor parking available for a fee of $28 a night. You can find electric vehicle chargers here too.
Dogs are allowed for additional surcharge, and your typical wake-up calls can be arranged, but also good night calls, as your phones in your room offer bedtime stories. If you're feeling hungry and you want to stay close to the hotel, you'll find Bar Moxy in the lobby. Open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They have a variety of great eats, cocktails, and more. We ate here for breakfast, and we'd highly recommend the banana pancakes. They were light and packed with flavor. We ordered one round for our table, but could have done with a second order. Worth noting too, complimentary coffee and tea is served in the lobby during the mornings. In addition to Bar Moxy, you can grab snacks and refreshments at the 24/7 grab-and-go area, which is open 24/7 all hours of the day.
Later at night, Bar Moxy can become a busy, popular place. A DJ came in to play at the bar for a few hours in the evening before a dance party started in one area of the lobby.
Now, for how much we paid. For our stay in a bunk bed room, it set us back $159 Canadian,
which is roughly 112 USD.
Would we stay here again?
100%. What a fun hotel.
The rooms were kind of small, a little minimalist. If I was here for an extended period of time, I might feel a little claustrophobic and cramped. But other than that, this hotel was awesome. It was great. The lobby was so much fun with all those games, and it was so easy to access a lot of the area that getting to and from everywhere we wanted to go was a breeze.
That's our look at the Moxy Hotel downtown Halifax. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more hotel reviews,
including a look at other popular hotel spots in downtown Halifax that are already live on our channel.